Welcome to Get Savvy with Shruti, powered by MB Sugars, brought to you by Savvy School of Design and Technology, venue courtesy SSK Club. And today we welcome our versatile and dynamic speakers, Miss Ritu Nathani ji and Miss Shraddha Akula ji. Miss Ritu Nathani is a very well-known influencer, as we all know, and Miss Shraddha Akula is also a very well-known industrialist and versatile personality, both of them are. So let's give a round of applause for both of them.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for having us, Shruti. Thank you so much.
Okay. Are you excited for the show?
Very much.
Okay, great. So, should we directly start with your question answers?
Yes.
Wow.
Go ahead.
Ritu, as I just introduced you, you are one of the well-known influencers of the town, of the city, of India. But I would like to know about your journey. You've done your MBA in finance. MBA in finance, okay? And then how did you get your space into the influencers fraternity? What inspired you to get to there?
So initially MBA finance, why? Because I'm fond of finance, one. Plus I know what is the importance of savings and investments. But then why influencer? Because I have a passion for fashion. And एक ऐसा डर रहता है जो इनिशियली बचपन में बोला जाता है कि एक निकनेम्स रखते थे मोटी मोटी करके. सो आई हैड दैट फियर कि यार नहीं, मैं कभी कैमरा को फेस नहीं कर सकती हूँ, या मैं कभी किसी को मैं उतनी ब्यूटीफुल नहीं लगती हूँ. तो फिर वो ऐसा रहता है कि नहीं, कभी तो वो फियर, यस, वो फोमो था, फियर था कि वो चीज़ ओवरकम करनी थी कहीं ना कभी तो वो फेस करना ही था. सो ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन सब देख रहे थे कि हर कोई अपना पैशन फॉलो कर रहा है, कुछ ना कुछ नया, अपना क्रिएटिविटी हर कोई दिखा रहा है. एंड देन व्हेन माय फ्रेंड्स हैड बिकम मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, दे वेर द वंस हु पुश्ड मी अ लॉट कि नहीं, देन यू हैव टू बी अ मॉडल, we can see your features कितने अच्छे हैं when it comes to eyes, your face. So that is how I thought कि नहीं, चलो, this is the only time when I can overcome my fear. And somehow that is the journey that my influencer journey started. That is how.
Oh, nice. It was lovely to know about that. But studying finance and then creating content, I mean, how did you manage it from the starting?
Initially it was very difficult because क्या होता है, फाइनेंस फील्ड इट इज मोर ऑफ प्रोफेशनलिज्म, एंड देन फिर वो इमेज क्रिएट करके देन सडनली एक opposite image create karna, it's a bit of a task where we have to handle all the criticism, where we have to face our own clients. Yeah, so where we have to face our own clients. So it was a bit difficult, the transition. Yes, I got criticism भी मिला, plus appreciation भी मिला कि यार हमने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि आपको ऐसे रंग रूप में देखने मिलेगा. So I think it was a roller coaster ride for me.
क्रिटिसिज्म मैं बोलूंगी कि वही उसी को मिलता है जो आगे बढ़ता है. सो दैट्स परफेक्टली ओके. It goes hand in hand. जब you are progressing, तो criticism is a part and parcel of it. So that's perfectly okay. So it was lovely to know this part of Ritu as well. Miss Shraddha, your journey in languages, music, how does it help you to shape your life?
Okay. So I have done my graduation in French from Fergusson College, and I belong to a family where music is in blood. So my father is a very well-known violinist. Yes, it goes in the family, and my son also plays 5 to 6 instruments. So knowing languages and music has actually shaped my entire personality. Because out of 10 people, I know that there's only 1 or 2 who can sing well or who knows a foreign language. So I am actually very confident because when in a group, while I'm networking or it's a group of friends or college friends, I know that I possess something that the others don't. So that has shaped my personality in being confident, not overconfident, not crossing that line of being overconfident. Yeah, but also making sure that how it has helped even others, and making sure that even others hone one skill by learning a foreign language, by knowing a form of art, may it be an instrument or may it be a form of dance or a classical singing or anything. So that has shaped my personality in being confident.
Oh wow, that's nice. That's the way life should, I mean, you should take life positively. But you completed your BA in French.
Correct.
And then specialization in Spanish.
Right.
I mean, I can't understand that logically.
While I was doing my graduation in French, my teachers told me की एक लँग्वेज येऊन फायदा नाही, अजून लँग्वेजेस करायला पाहिजेत. कारण जर करिअरच एका लँग्वेजमध्ये करायचं असेल तर एक पेक्षा 2 लँग्वेजेस आलेल्या, 2 युरोपियन लँग्वेजेस किंवा एक युरोपियन आणि एक एशियन असे लँग्वेजेस आल्या तर फरक पडेल. मग देर आर मेनी अदर opportunities that open door, like being a translator, interpreter, or going into teaching. So I did my graduation in French while I was pursuing Spanish at Ranade Institute in Pune. But I couldn't finish Spanish. Why? Because I had to go to France to teach English at a French school. So
You went to France from India to teach English
Yes, correct. At a French school.
in a French school.
Yeah.
So how was that experience of
So I was selected by the French Ministry of Education to teach English
Oh, wow.
in a city named Bordeaux, which is in south of France. Beautiful city. So Prithe, I got this opportunity to teach English at 2 different French schools. And while I was teaching, they also told me that, why not start learning another language? Because one is not enough and you need to have a plan B. Because all the schools in India, in Asia, also in Europe are going to have one foreign language, which is French, which is compulsory. And it is not sufficient. You need to know other language. That's why I started learning Spanish over there.
You'll be surprised to know we at Savvy School of Design and Technology have a degree program in which French is a language compulsory right from the inception.
Very
Because if you're aware, every UGC University Grants Commission program course has one language compulsory for the students to study.
Correct.
So our curriculum is made in such a manner that we have French because it's fashion oriented field. So our students can very well work as French translators also in the industry.
Exactly.
This is the thought process.
Yeah.
So you'll be happy to know about that. Great. Okay, so Rituji, coming back to you, what were the challenges that you faced as an influencer, and any insights that pushed you to expand yourself and to grow as an influencer?
One was कि there was no work for 6 months. So I was, I did not had any shoots, या मुझे कोई approach नहीं कर रहा था. So
It started in COVID, right?
yes,
That time, any which ways, nothing was happening.
yes, but then जो well established लोग थे, so people were already connected with the fraternity when it comes to influencer fraternity. So whether it is a photographer or a makeup artist, so everyone was very much connected with each other. But then to get recognized there, so it was a bit of a task कि कोई इवेंट्स में बुलाता नहीं था. दैट इज अनदर थिंग कि यार कब हमको एक चांस मिलेगा, when will the newcomers will get a chance to get invited to such events, such promotional events. So initially there was this task कि 6 months थोड़ा ये गया, but then धीरे when people started recognizing कि नहीं, I still continued doing my work with my makeup, जो artists थे जो बन गए थे, so I still continued doing that. But then later then people could recognize कि नहीं चलो इसके features अच्छे हैं, we should approach once at least for a shoot, a general shoot rather than a promotional shoot. So this is how I started getting work after 6 months down the line, where photographers started approaching कि नहीं we'll do a shoot, we'll plan a concept, everything, and then धीरे then other brands started approaching somehow.
Okay, nice. So definitely, जो आज दिख रहा है वैसे नहीं, you've been through a lot to come here, right? So what were the strategies? Can you share a little for our audience that you followed that kept you patient also and that kept you moving and that boosted you for becoming and achieving your passion as an influencer? And I would also like to add in this, like when you collaborate with different brands, how is it that you maintain the values that you as an influencer want to maintain? Because some brands would be different. Their thought process would be different. They may not have the same as yours. So how do you maintain that?
So I think when it comes to values, I definitely believe कि whatever I show, I should really believe in, rather than just showing for the glam world कि नहीं चलो glamour है कुछ भी दिखा दो, ऐसा नहीं होगा. I preferably be very honest and transparent in my work, and that is how I select a brand, because there would be many promotional activities such as for betting or gambling or cryptocurrency. ऐसे promotions आते हैं हमारे पास, where जहाँ पे आपको पैसा ज़्यादा मिलेगा, डेफिनेटली आपको वो चीज़ प्रमोट करने के लिए पैसा ज़्यादा मिलेगा, बट देन दैट इज़ वेयर आई टेक माई स्टैंड कि नहीं, आई डोंट वांट टू प्रमोट दोज, वन, बिकॉज वो अगर किसी इंसान को डुबा सकते हैं या किसी इंसान के पैसे को डुबा सकते हैं, दैट इज नॉट व्हाट आई वुड प्रेफर प्रमोटिंग. सो दैट इज वेयर आई ऑलवेज लुक फॉर अ ब्रांड कि पहले उसके वर्क एथिक्स कैसे है, what is their client approach, what are their products or services. So that is how I select a brand, and whether that brand, their values and my values match or not. That is how I select.
First you select.
Yeah, that is the first criteria I select how I should be collaborating with a brand. And when it comes to strategies, so we always see ki what is trending, one कि क्या चल रहा है. We always take inspiration from our established influencers which are from our niche कि यार वो लोग कैसे करते आए हैं. We always look for their work, and then definitely we get some inspiration कि नहीं, and then we definitely add some of our creativity कि हमको क्या अलग करना है rather than just replicating the same. We definitely try not to replicate, but some or the other way we have to show our own creativity. So that is how I strategize my content.
Nice. Lovely to know that. So coming back to Miss Shraddha. Miss Shraddha, we heard about your journey as a language teacher, as a music oriented person. We would like to know a little more insights about your Tech Elevator as a managing person for Tech Elevator, as a salesperson for Tech Elevator. I mean, business was just not in your DNA.
Right.
And then to cope up with it, how did it happen?
Just like you said, I was going to start this answer by saying that music was not in my DNA. Music is in my DNA, not business. But I happen to have a very good personality, and I connect with people very easily. Also, I can approach very easily. I don't have this inhibition on how should I approach, kaise baat karu. In an open networking, exactly. So because I'm an extrovert, it comes very easily to me and naturally to me to approach people and to pitch. But there were a lot of challenges that I had to face in the beginning because not coming from a business background, both parents used to work at a bank. So when I got married 10 years ago, husband and I started this company called Tech Elevators. We are into elevators, and this is our own brand which we started 10 years ago. My husband was of the opinion that when you start coming to the office and when you start listening to my calls, automatically you're going to observe and absorb, which I did. So initially it was difficult because there were a lot of technical terms which I was unaware of, since not coming from I'm a BA French. So languages is something I'm good at, but not technical things. But then he said ki jevda yeta tevda start absorbing. And then I started visiting sites with him. Then I started seeing how he pitches, how he takes measurements, how he makes quotations, how he goes and pitches and closes a deal. When I started observing him, it became very easy for me to also start doing it without his help. And then he was of the opinion ki okay, let's make you the face of Tech Elevators, and you start going and you start pitching. Yeah, you start promoting the brand, which I did. And then initially it was difficult, but then later on became very easy, and now it's like a second skin. Wherever I go, instead of talking about my languages or the music side, I start pitching for elevators.
मराठीमध्ये खूप चांगलं सांगितलेलं आहे, केल्याने होत आहे रे, आधी केल्याची पाहिजे. व्हेरी नाईस. ओके रितुजी, कमिंग बॅक टू यू. How do you balance these different things? As at the welcome thing only, I said that you are a dynamic and versatile personality. But how do you balance? Like, you've started with your own business, mutual funds, and then influencer life. How do you balance it?
Frankly, I'm still juggling between all the three. It is very difficult to handle mutual fund distribution plus the business and the influencer field. Initially, it was easy.
It must be easy now to get mutual funds, right?
No,
I mean,
no,
investors in that.
no. It is not that.
हम जाएंगे तो हम connect हो जाएंगे.
नहीं, आप शक्ल पे नहीं जा
ऐसा
सकते.
होना चाहिए ना.
आप इन्फ्लुएंसर शक्ल पे इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं ले सकते किसी से भी. That is for sure. नहीं, never. It cannot happen. I don't know how, but then it still cannot happen.
Why they don't take us seriously?
No, definitely. Because वो बोलेंगे तुम glamour world से आए हो, तुमको सच में knowledge है क्या? They question your brains actually. कि whether are you really?
I believe कि they must be more interested in कि चलो हमको उनको मिलने मिल रहा है.
हाँ. So that is their intention. The intention of meeting is that. But then नहीं. वो फिर अगर उनको कंटिन्यू करना हो बात तो ठीक है. वो एक बहाना मिलेगा बात कंटिन्यू करना तो definitely. पर otherwise नहीं. So there's never been such opportunity कि जहाँ पे ठीक है कोई influencer बन के मैंने ये किया है, no. It is always word of mouth ki where I have got clients, definitely. But it is very difficult to handle business at the same time when it comes to jewelry and I don't know. Somehow I am still struggling to manage all the three, frankly.
Okay, but then that's life, you know. Sometimes prioritize, you have to do your things. It's not easy. I can't say कि today 1 घंटा हो गया as a mother and my work is done. Motherhood takes only this much time. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You have to prioritize. Some days must be more important for the family. Some days would be more important for the kids, and some days more important for your work.
That is the reason sometimes I always have to cancel the shoots which are outside Nasik because of my prior commitments plus the travel issue कि I don't know exactly कि सामने वाला team कैसा है. I'm not familiar with them. So as being a woman वो थोड़ा safety issue भी आ जाता है कि यार सच में जा सकते हैं कि नहीं.
But influencers में तो woman ही rule कर रही है वैसे भी.
वो थोड़ा रहता है झिझक रहता है कि यार कैसे डायरेक्टली जा सकते because I'm an introvert no matter what.
Did you face that problem from your parents or your family side, like, you know, इतना पढ़ाई लिखाई कराया है and then where are you going and this is not our cup of.
In every event, in every functions, I always hear यार तू क्या कर रही है, तूने MBA finance क्यों किया, तू अभी क्या कर रही है, what is this you're doing. Even when I say कि I have started my own business, they're still not happy. No one is ever happy कि it is an achievement for someone कि यार 1,30,000 followers मिलना is not a joke.
बराबर
कि सिर्फ लॉकडाउन से शुरू किया, ऐसे नहीं कि ठीक है मेरी फैशन इंडस्ट्री बेस रहा है तो ठीक है, people might.
हाँ, legacy नहीं है, you've started it on your own. And वैसे भी influencers ये concept ही recently आया है, तो legacy में तो कुछ मिल नहीं सकता इसमें.
People are never happy with whatever you do, so वो आता ही है कि why are you doing this, जरूरत है क्या.
that category कि 100% people को आप life में satisfy नहीं कर सकते.
वो तो कभी नहीं होगा.
At least guilt free life है, that's more than enough, and satisfy yourself and be happy. I believe in that funda. Because I come from a Marwadi family, progressive family, but a Marwadi community. So it takes time. You cannot accept and they cannot absorb or understand you the way it should be. And your family will understand, but not everyone in the community and the society. So it's okay.
So initially
Take
it
life as
was a bit
comes.
difficult also to make my family understand कि why we are doing this और whether there is सच में उतना monetary benefits मिलता भी है क्या, कि you're just doing it for the fun, for the glam. So वो भी एक साइड समझाना पड़ता. Correct. The perspective is that कि नहीं settle होना चाहिए rather than just doing कैसे ही घूम रहे हो फिर रहे हो वैसे ही, फिर उनको ऐसा लगता है कि तुम अपने कॉलेज डेज में हो क्या अब तक ऐसे. ऐसा था.
बट ये सब करते करते ऑथेंटिसिटी और जेन्युइनिटी जो होती है ऑडियंस की, वो कैसे मेंटेन होती है? आपके जितने फॉलोअर्स है, ऑडियंस है, उनकी कैसे मेंटेन करते हो?
Frankly, I feel कि one should be transparent. One कि जो तुम हो वो दिखाओ rather than just putting a mask on yourself कि नहीं कि मैं कुछ और हूँ और तुम कैमरा के सामने कुछ और दिखा रहे हो. That is what I believe. And that is why it has worked for me कि one is transparency, one is honesty कि whatever I believe in, whatever I मतलब जो मैं ethics follow करती हूँ वो अगर मैं वो same चीज़ें मैं मेरे पेज पे दिखा रही हूँ या मेरे काम में दिखा रही हूँ, that is how उतना मुझे genuinity मिला है. Otherwise it becomes a task कि तुम ज़्यादा किसी भी चीज़ का brag करोगे तो लोग सोचेंगे यार ये समझ में आता है.
You're just trying to sell.
हाँ, you're just trying to sell or you're just bragging it about it. So I try to be very humble and transparent about whatever I do.
Relatable.
It should be like that because आज ना कल पता चलता ही है. You are in a market where people are going to know about things, so it's better you be transparent enough. Or else then you'll have to shut your thing one day. No, honestly, because you've put in your hard work, your hard resources, everything. So why will we do that? Okay, now coming to Shraddha ji. How do you balance these different roles of your life and different situations, like a mother, like I mean, how do you give justice to your music, to your languages, and to your business as well?
I feel I give justice by having help, by seeking for help, by asking for help. So my biggest support system is my family, my in-laws and my husband. Without them, I cannot move anything around me. It's only because of them that I can manage my son's schedule and also take care of my business as well as help my husband in his own business. So because I can ask for help, initially it was very difficult for me to, because I'm not a person who can ki mala please madad kara, mala help kara. I cannot ask for help. But then I had to actually surmount that barrier, that obstacle, and I had to go beyond that and start asking and seeking for help, so that only then I can be happy. You can't pour from an empty glass. So if I am happy, I can keep my family happy. And keeping slots for everything, like first half for Tech Elevators, second half for Ahan, and third half for my own classes, Thursdays for Thursdays morning for BNI, etc. So I have these slots stipulated for my family, for my in-laws. Weekends are with the in-laws when I go to their house, and then when I'm not meeting my friends at all. Sometimes after 3 or 4 months, I meet my friends, we take them out and we go on a holiday, etc. So these are the slots that I have, so that I can give justice to everybody. And then I'm happy myself as well. Because it's very important that I need to be happy in my own eyes, in my own skin, to be able to keep others around me happy.
Lovely.
Yeah.
That approach should always be there. Then only you can really, really be happy. Great. But what is that one advice that you would like to give to our audience today who really want to excel in various fields as you are doing, in various areas as you are doing?
So, earlier when we were in school or in college, people used to say ki, jack of all, master of none. असं म्हणायचं की एकच गोष्ट तरी करा कोणती तरी, आणि ती एकदम नीट निष्ठेने करा. मला आता असं म्हणायला इनफॅक्ट आवडेल की you can try and do several other things. You can have these slots for several other things, 2 or 3 things minimum, on which you're passionate about, which you are good at, which you think that you're good at. And then start honing these skills. May it be a language, may it be a sport, or may it be something in, like influencer, like this is like a very niche and upcoming career that people are opting out.
Correct.
But instead of just focusing on one, you can try out several, 2-3 things. For the people right now, the teenagers who are watching this, it is necessary that you shape your own personality by trying out different things which are available. Because when we were in school, both of us, we were in school or college, we didn't have so many things that they are available right now. Exactly.
And this thinking process was not there with the parents also.
Exactly.
The
Now
acceptance
parents-
level was also not there.
Very true. Yeah, very true. So with us, even our
I
parents
remember
and
when I
all-
entered, I'm sorry to
No problem,
interrupt. I remember when I entered fashion field, there were very few colleges who you actually offered degree programs. So people used to come and tell my parents, "Kai darjis bante na." I mean, दर्जी का ही काम कर रहे हैं ना, टेलरच कर बनते ना. That thinking process. But my parents luckily were very, very broad-minded. They understood the importance of the field and the horizons. So yeah, I got through that.
Exactly. So एकच गोष्ट करायच्या ऐवजी 2-3 गोष्टी जर केल्या आणि ट्राय आउट केल्या, तर एखादी गोष्ट नाही जमली तर दुसऱ्यावर you can fall back.
Plan B.
Focuses on plan B, yeah?
There's always a plan B for everything.
B and C.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'll keep a name as plan B and C on my mobile. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, Miss Ritu, as you very well said some time ago that you have to face a lot of criticism. How do you handle it? And that's like openly on the
Yes,
social media.
yes.
So how do you handle it? Like, one or two people on face, if they are criticizing you, it becomes difficult to handle. On social media, how do you?
And especially the ones
take
who are
it?
unknown to us.
Yeah. So how do you take
That
it?
hurts the most. कि ठीक है, तुम अगर जानते भी नहीं और तो तुम ऐसे
जो जानते हैं उनसे भी हर्ट ही होने वाला है अल्टीमेटली. और ज्यादा हर्ट होने वाला है कि ये तो जानते हैं फिर भी बोल रहे हैं.
बट देन आई फील कि एक पॉइंट जरूर ऐसा आता है कि यार कुछ नहीं करना है, सब बंद करके घर पे बैठते कुछ भी नहीं करना है. देयर इज ऑलवेज दिस वन पॉइंट कि यू कैन नॉट टेक इन एवरीथिंग, बट देन एट द सेकंड मोमेंट यू फील यार क्यों हम उसके लिए उनके लिए जी रहे. आर वी रियली लिविंग फॉर देम? नो, वी आर लिविंग फॉर बिकॉज इट इज आवर पैशन. तो फिर आई फील फिर वो इग्नोरेंस इज ब्लिस. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज सेड कि ठीक है इग्नोर कर दो, जाने दो. इधर यू कैन डिलीट इट और इधर यू कैन कीप द कमेंट. That is your wish, whether you want to see it or whether you want to delete it. It's all your choice.
वहाँ से डिलीट किया तो यहाँ से डिलीट कैसे?
वो तो नहीं होगा डेफिनेटली. बट देन तुम वो लो और तुम उसके ऊपर काम करो, या फिर तुम उसको इग्नोर करके तुम अपना काम करते रहो. You have to keep going no matter what. Whatever the people would be commenting.
उर्दू में बहुत अच्छा कहते हैं, बदनाम भी वही होता है जिसका कोई नाम होता है. एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सा या कोई भी एक मेमोरेबल मोमेंट जो आपके लाइफ का हुआ है एज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर या कोई ब्रांड के साथ कोलैब करते वक्त ऐसे कोई एक मोमेंट, कोई एक इंसिडेंस जो आप शेयर करना?
At the very initial stage of this journey, so मुझे एक TVC कमर्शियल के लिए आया था काम, एंड वी हैड मतलब प्रॉपर सेटअप के साथ शूट वूट ऐसे पूरा सेटअप पूरा अलग से चेंज किया था उन्होंने फॉर द शूट. सो पेमेंट भी अच्छा मिला, नो डाउट. ऐसे नहीं कि वी डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि ठीक है अपना फर्स्ट TVC है तो वो पेमेंट भी देंगे या नहीं, बिकॉज वी आर अ न्यू कमर. बट देन स्टिल दे डिड गिव अस अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मनी फॉर द सेम. मतलब इट्स जस्ट दैट वो लॉन्च नहीं हुआ. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, फॉर द एन नंबर ऑफ रीजंस. बट देन एक अच्छी मेमोरी है कि यार चलो एक TVC में काम करने तो मिला. ठीक है वो टीवी एड ना बना या सोशल मीडिया पे इतना लॉन्च नहीं हुआ जितना वो बोल रहे थे, बट अदरवाइज दैट इज अ वेरी गुड मेमोरी ऑफ माइंड वेयर आई गॉट माई फर्स्ट TV कमर्शियल.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
Lovely.
तो क्या हम इस मोमेंट को मोए मोए मोमेंट भी बना सकते हैं? बिकॉज दैट वाज माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कि एक मोए मोए मोमेंट शेयर कीजिए.
Then it is the same. I think.
बिकॉज एक मोए मोए मोमेंट वाज माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एनी विच वेज.
Ask her to speak in Marathi. That's
Oh.
got to be a moe moe moment.
I don't want her to have moe moe moments with my show.
No, please.
She can have it in her life otherwise.
No.
Okay. Miss Shraddha,
Yes.
one pivotal thing in life that pulls you every day to that energy, to that josh, to do that work every day. I'm sure कितना भी जोश भरा हो कोई ना कोई मोमेंट आता है जहाँ हम लो हो जाते हैं.
हाँ.
But what is it that pushes you again to that level?
Wow. Okay. One thing that actually, pulls me out of the bed to become the best version is being my own cheerleader. Because, there are many women around me and many girls, many women, many people around me, many friends around me who say that I am their inspiration. That they seek inspiration from me. Yeah. It's a big thing to know.
That is true, but
Yeah. Thank you.
That's
So
nice.
that one sentence hit me so hard that sometimes when I feel की नाही आज मी उठून मी आज काहीच करू शकत नाही, no office, no classes, काहीच करू शकत नाही, then I think of this sentence की नहीं यार मैं कैसे break ले सकती हूँ, somebody is actually looking up to me. So that one sentence has hit me so hard that I am somebody's inspiration and someone draws inspiration from me because of the way I am, because of the way I can manage things, etc. I don't know, several other things. That pulls me very hard, and that one thing has kept me from going. There are days when I don't feel like doing anything, when I take a break, and when I take a break, I really take a break from being a mom, from being a wife, from being a
From
daughter-in-law.
being a mom, you will have to plan and take a break.
Yeah, exactly.
It
Then I
will
help.
not
Then I
happen.
ask for help. Yeah, I cry out for help. In fact, yeah.
Lovely.
And then I come back more, more stronger. Then I'm back from that break.
Wow.
Yeah.
lovely.
Amazing. So this is all gives you energy.
Yes.
This is all puts your josh high.
Higher, yes.
Lovely.
Every day.
Great. How do you see the future of foreign languages globally on a world scale? Yeah.
Okay.
Future of languages is bright on several notes, on several levels, because AI is not going to cope up to the languages, is what I feel. Human, the how do you say, the speed of human being a translator or interpreter or a teacher, AI cannot match up to that. So you need to keep learning languages. You need to keep learning different languages, not just French or Spanish or German, not just European languages. In fact, more, I would now say that
संस्कृत
Sanskrit तर आहेच, but you
आपली
would
संस्कृती ते लोक अडॉप्ट
करतात, exactly.
आपली लिगसी ते चालवणार आहे, त्यांची
बरोबर आहे.
लिगसी आपल्याकडे येते का काय?
Yeah, there are many students in Dubai and Sharjah who are asking me if I know any Sanskrit teacher, So त्याच्यावरनं समजतं की खूप आता आपल्या भाषेला पण खूप महत्व येणार आहे. ऑल्सो मॅन्डरिन, जॅपनीज, बिकॉज जपान आपल्यापेक्षा 100 वर्ष पुढे आहे. तर आता ह्या लँग्वेजेस आपण नाही वापरल्या किंवा नाही शिकल्या तर जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज मध्ये आपल्याला हे नेहमी वी विल नॉट गेट दॅट एज इफ यू आर नॉट लर्निंग दीज लँग्वेजेस देन वी आर नोवेअर. सो वी नीड टू कीप लर्निंग लँग्वेजेस अँड एशियन as well as European languages to be able to
Lovely.
have that edge in the career.
So the takeaway from today's thing, one major is that you have to learn languages different. Coming back to you, Miss Ritu, Any of your upcoming project that you would like to share that you're really excited about with our audience today?
I feel कि वो curiosity रहनी चाहिए with my audience. So I might not be able to give you a detail, but then definitely I'm planning for a travel vlog.
Oh,
Wow,
lovely.
yes.
Amazing.
Take me along.
Me too.
Only if I get a proper girls' night with you both.
हाँ, of course
Done.
you will.
Done?
Only one?
It depends. अभी आप अगर
You'll
फोन पे
get
busy हो गए तो
several.
मैं तो बोर हो जाऊंगी ना.
नहीं, don't worry. That won't happen. After, इसको कट कर देना. After 19 years of marriage ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता.
नहीं, इसको कट मत करना.
नहीं करना भाई. मेरा पति मुझे सपोर्ट करता है. बोलेगा उधर जाके ऐसी बातें करती है. Okay, coming back. What is एक एडवाइस या एक कोई मैसेज जो आप अपने लिसनर्स को देना चाहते हो जो सच में आपसे बहुत इंस्पायर्ड होते होंगे, जो दे मस्ट बी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू यू, एक कोई मैसेज जो आप देना चाहते हो?
I think education is important, no doubt. You cannot expect कि बस घर बैठे बैठे पैसा आएगा. You cannot expect that. Education is important, but I feel being an influencer, interpersonal skills and your attitude towards life plays a vital role.
Wow.
Correct.
So your
So you
attitude,
think that has changed your life? The
Definite,
horizons towards
definite.
your life, your outlook towards life?
definitely, yes. So especially the attitude you carry is the personal brand you create for yourself in the crowd.
Amazing.
True.
Nice.
Coming to you, Ms. Shraddha, any goals personally or professionally that you want to achieve in the coming future that you would like to
Personally.
share with our audience?
Yeah. I think if I give it out loud in the universe, it's going to come true. So I'm going to say this loud that I really wish to get on my fitness journey really soon.
Oh, you better start with the salad then. You better start with the salad now.
Yeah, before I hit my 40s, because that's the goal that I have set for myself.
I had set this goal and I've really touchwood achieving it. You must have seen the difference as well. So I am like, people are telling me you into 40s. I said, yeah, this is the new version of 40s.
Oh.
It's the second time 20s. It's not a 40. It should be like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so coming, yeah, all the best for that.
Thank you.
Keep yourself motivated for that.
Okay.
At times, even I would need that motivation. I'll call you for that.
I'll follow you.
Okay, another question to you. What is success according to you?
Oh.
And what advice would you give to people who are confused about success, whether they are successful or not, like that?
Okay.
So according to me, success cannot be really measured. It's very subjective. For me, success is to be able to achieve and to be able to be independent, to be able to do what you want to, and to be able to have those resources so that you can achieve what you want to. Resources such as time, money, education, support, opportunities. All these are resources that you need to have to be able to achieve.
Correct.
And apart from this, most important for me is to be able to be happy. Just
Content.
achieving everything, because ek milestones we just keep achieving, but there's no stopping because we never know where to
Because
stop.
you didn't mange more.
Exactly. We are
You're never
happy, we are
satisfied,
satisfied.
yes.
I got a two-wheeler. Oh, then I want a
Yeah,
four-wheeler. Okay,
exactly.
now I want a better one.
Correct.
Okay,
Yeah.
now I want a sunroof.
Right.
So it goes on.
Exactly.
Goes on.
Yeah. So correct. To be able to be happy. Yeah. And to do whatever your heart seeks.
Okay, Ms. Ritu, what is fashion and styling according to you?
I feel to be comfortable with your own skin.
Great.
The reason why I chose this field because I was not earlier, frankly. I am an introvert, plus I was never comfortable with my skin because I always thought fashion is about thin models, good skin,
Oh,
a
zero
little.
figure no.
हाँ,
Zero
तो
figure
पहले
no demand in Africa.
No.
yes.
All
So
the
initially
aspirations.
वो पर्सपेक्टिव था कि यार ऐसा है क्या सच में, एंड वो ओवरकम करना एंड टू बी कंफर्टेबल नाउ कि ठीक है वी डोंट केयर व्हाट पीपल आर गोना से, वी आर आवरसेल्व्स. सो वो चीज आई थिंक आई फील कि वी शुड बी कंफर्टेबल विद आवर स्किन. दैट इज व्हाट आई फील इज फैशन फॉर मी.
So something that will give you comfort, at the same time you will look good in that.
Yes.
And then how will
Definitely.
you define styling?
Styling.
Or have you thought about it? Like, do you think like every person has a different style?
Correct.
The same dress may look different on different
Correct.
people. Why? Because of the styling that they do.
Yes. So I feel one perspective would be the personality you carry. कि तुम्हारी personality पे क्या actually जचता है. Not necessary जो हर अगर आज कोई ड्रेस पहन रहा है नॉट नेसेसरी वो सेम चीज मेरे पे अच्छी दिखेगी. सो इट हैपेंस विद आई थिंक इफ यू आप जैसे आप फैशन इंडस्ट्री में हो तो रैंप वॉक में भी सेम होता है. जो मॉडल्स ड्रेस पहनते हैं नॉट नेसेसरी वो अगर आज कोई एक्ट्रेस पहनेंगे वो सेम वैसे के वैसे दिखेगा या वो सेम ग्लैमर या उतना एलिगेंट दिखेगा. सो वन शुड नो व्हाट इज
Which style do you think looks good on you?
आई फील बॉडीकॉन ड्रेसेस.
Okay.
I really feel that.
So you get comfortable with them and your
Yes.
confidence level grows.
Yes, yes.
So what happens as in fashion, a person from fashion fraternity, I'll tell you why you feel like, this looks good on me, this doesn't look good, because that boosts up your confidence level. That is the main thing.
Right.
It has to boost up your confidence level. It has to give you a very different look. Like, you feel like, I'm different than others, then you'll feel good about it. That is important. Now, what is your perspective towards fashion and styling?
Fashion and styling.
I've always seen her in a very Shraddha Kula styling.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's like her own styling that she carries.
Thank you. That's a huge compliment.
Yeah, it is.
No, but then it is. You do that many
Yeah.
times that whichever you dress
Feel
carry.
comfortable. Yeah.
या जो jewelry आप पहन सकते हो वो
हाँ.
हम कभी नहीं पहन सकते.
I
really
can wear
admire-
anything
I
and
really
everything very
admire her.
confidently. I can, but
then-
depends on my mood and depends on the occasion.
Yeah.
True. Same with me. So it depends on my mood. Also, I usually take help of accessories like necklaces, chunky necklaces, statement necklaces, or earrings, nice heels or platforms, etc. to express myself the way I'm feeling on the particular day. For example, today I'm feeling very chirpy, in a very good mood. Everything is all set. Dinner is made. I'm having a great interview, great time with you girls. So this is the way I express by showing how I feel on a particular day. So brighter colors would mean that I'm in a good mood.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah,
then now
pastel
we have to
colours-
recognize that.
Correct. Pastel colors or black or white would mean that okay, I'm fine.
But we
Not in a
belong
great
to
mood.
such a field, even if our mood is low, even if we don't want to wear a brighter color,
Yes.
we have
We
to
would
at
wear
times.
silver.
Even if you don't want to carry that
Yes,
smile,
correct.
you have to at
Correct.
times, how
Correct.
much ever tired you are.
Yeah.
Right.
So this is how life is, because
Correct.
if you are a public figure, you are a public
Yes,
figure.
yes,
That's
we have
the
to
whole
do
point.
it. Yeah.
So you can't show कि नहीं, I mean ठीक है आज एक बड़ा occasion है, but I'm not a good. You
Hmm,
cannot
you cannot
do
do
that. You
that.
have to. And I believe कि एक और चीज है कि हम वहाँ जाके automatically we get that vibes
Correct.
and we feel good.
बराबर है.
भले ही हमको घर से निकलते वक्त वो feeling नहीं
Yes,
होती
yes.
होगी, we will be feeling low,
Yeah.
but वहाँ जाके you feel good enough about it.
Okay, so with this, we've done with our question answer
Oh,
round.
finally.
And now comes our most interesting part.
What?
Which is
The telepathy round.
Oh.
So I'll be giving you one word,
Okay.
and immediately within seconds, जिसका answer आएगा, that person will be getting the hamper which is kept next to me.
So last time आपको मिलने से रहा.
usually
let
people
me
feel like the lucky one. So let's see who
Oh,
wins.
please. Only
जिसको
the
भी
giveaway.
जिसको भी hamper मिले 50% मुझे दे देना.
नहीं मैम ऑलरेडी आपको बहुत
हाँ,
मिल रहा
deal,
है.
deal.
No deal from me.
Okay, deal now?
Yeah.
So I'll
Let's
make
start.
I'll
questions
do one.
accordingly.
Like you will favor her now.
Let's see. I don't know. The audience is going to decide who
Oh.
wins.
Is it?
Acha.
Yep.
Baap re.
Okay. So our telepathy round starts. Pay attention. Later on, don't fight. Okay.
What are the rules? Sorry.
Immediately after listening to the word, you have to say
word
those
that
one
comes to
or
your
two
mind.
words that come to your mind.
Okay.
Okay. So it's like first is BNI.
Networking.
Oh God.
Oh
So I think if it's a neutral, then the hamper stays to me today. Next, influencer.
Glamour.
Both of us need to answer at the same
Yes,
time.
yes.
Oh, sorry.
The question. It's a game for both of you all.
Okay.
If you want to
You
get the
can
hamper.
avoid.
No.
So then you get the hamper.
I'll get the hamper. I don't have to
her.
share.
That's why I got confused. Okay.
No,
I don't
no,
have to
I was
share.
confusing you.
Got it.
Family,
Love.
music,
Passion.
business,
Money.
travel,
Exposure.
Explore.
pets.
Beagle.
Don't have.
I have
Sorry,
one.
I didn't hear you.
Beagle. It's a dog
Okay.
breed. Yeah.
Okay. What did you say?
Don't have any.
Doesn't matter. You could have just answered what comes to your mind. Acha, that came to her mind. Amazing.
Yeah. So no emotion attached to it because I don't have any. No.
Okay, no problem. Shopping,
No
emotions.
Therapy.
Leisure.
Therapy.
Okay.
party,
Drinking.
Dancing. Bollywood dancing. I think Bollywood dancing.
I hope you know you on the camera.
It's okay. Just one thing.
Okay, I'm waiting
one.
for your next party now.
Yeah.
Will
Socializing.
Fun.
friends.
Okay, fun, friends, good. Fashion.
Comfort. Okay, to say that.
Lost it. Now the last.
Yeah.
Pay attention.
Yeah.
Because the hamper would be decided
Yeah.
on that.
Oh,
Wait, I-
nahi.
Lifestyle.
Experience.
Okay. You could have said healthy one.
Yeah, healthy one.
And the last one, only for you two today, I've decided on this set right
Yeah.
now. Get savvy with Shruti. One word that comes to your mind on this.
Quirky.
Ooh, fun.
That was
She's
good
definitely
one.
winning it.
I definitely win the hamper.
She knew they are going to give the hamper to me.
Ah, इसीलिए.
Smart.
Because बहुत तारीफ सुन ली तो मतलब why not? तो वही दिमाग में आ गया सी.
So you knew the name of the brand कि अभी पता चला.
नहीं पता था.
Okay, great.
Yay.
Nevertheless, we have 2 hampers for both of you.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Can we get the hamper for them?
ये गलत है. मतलब हम इतना ये कर रहे हैं और आपको भी हैम्पर मिल रहा है.
कुछ तो यादें आप यहाँ से लेके जाओ.
Wow.
तो अभी खा मत जाना ऐसे.
Done?
Thank you. Thank you, Shruti. Thank you.
ये किसके साथ खोलोगे ये जानना है अभी.
हाँ ऐसे. I'll tell you.
The drinking night that we planned.
Thank you.
Girls'
Thank you so
night.
much. Yes. Girls' night एक बाकी है.
Congratulations to
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.